Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tomorrow is weekly expiry and here I am with another video of our series Nifty expiry special analysis. In the previous video, as I said, the market was bullish and if we break 14,875 we may see Nifty going till 15,000 to 15,050, and the same thing happened, and you can watch that video clicking on top right of your screen. And in today's video too, we'll try to find out important levels for tomorrow's expiry. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So now let's analyze Nifty's daily chart. And on 25th March, Nifty made a swing low here. That was 14,264. And on Monday, Nifty made a swing low here. That was 14,248. So Nifty tested that level twice, and now after testing on Tuesday we had a bounce, and after the steep fall Nifty made an inside candle, the green candle, and that's inside candle because the high and the low of the red candle is not broken by the green candle. So now if the low of this candle breaks, the fall will continue. If high breaks, it may go up. So this is the setup on daily chart. Now let's analyze 30 minutes chart. On 30 minutes chart, as you can see, we have rounding bottom formation, the first one, the second one, and the big one, the third one. So the target comes around 14,750, but since we have a gap here, 14,650 will act as first resistance and 14,750 will act as second resistance. And on the downside we have support at 14,400 and 14,300. And as of now SGX Nifty is trading at 14,743, like 250 points up from our closing. So if we have such a big gap up opening tomorrow, the positive sentiment may turn into negative, because the buyers who bought at 14,450, 14,500 will get 250 points overnight. So obviously they will book profits, and after opening at top, obviously markets will fall. So if market opens 250 points gap up, like that much big gap up, you should avoid longs and you should wait and watch. And if market opens flat, like in 30-40 points up or down, you should try to find buying opportunities, because if market opens at 14,550, it may come down, it will take support at 14,450, the breakout level, and again it will go up. But if market opens 250 points gap up, as I said, we'll see profit booking and even short build up at the top. So now let's analyze Nifty's option chain for tomorrow's expiry. So now on screen, as you can see, we have option chain for tomorrow's expiry, and on the put side, 14,500 put has 17,91,000 open interest. In that 9,22,000 was added today, and 14,400 put has 21 lakh open interest. In that 12,40,000 was added on Tuesday. So 14,500 will act as first support and 14,400 will act as second support. And on the call side, the data is not good, because 14,500 strike, there was reduction in open interest. 14,550 strike, open interest increased. 600 strike, again open interest reduction. 14,650 and 700 there was addition, but again in 14,750 there was reduction. Even though in 14,750 call, the positions that unwinded were only 20,000, but still there was reduction. So based on the highest open interest, 14,700 and 14,650 will act as first and second resistance for tomorrow's expiry. And on the downside we have highest open interest at at 14,800 call, that's 28 lakhs 86,000. So 14,800 call will act as second resistance, And the reason why 14,500 and 14,600 call writers unwinded their positions, we know as SGX Nifty is trading at 14,750. So call writers already knew that we may have a gap up opening, so that was the reason for the reduction. But as mentioned earlier, if we have a big gap up opening tomorrow, avoid longs and wait and watch the market, what's gonna happen. So if you liked my video, please share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And the account opening link is given in description. You can open your account there. The brokerage is flat 15 rupees per order. And this is Aman signing off. Thank you.